is reminiscent. It smells like peppermint. It literally smells like peppermint. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today's video is going to be on the brand new Peppermint Frost palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is an exclusive to the deluxe mystery box, which I did get, and I unboxed it, so if you want to see what's in this box, it'll be up here in the cards. But if you are interested in seeing how the palette performs on my tan skin, just continue watching. Before I apply this on my face, I did want to touch base on the packaging. This packaging does not feel luxurious at all. It actually feels pretty light, like really light cardboard paper, and I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up on it, but right here on the back of the palette, like the back, the bookshelf like kind of thing, there is like folds on the cardboard. So like, you see how you open it? Like you open it like this and it has this crease. Where this crease is, it's turning a little bit white and it's becoming discolored. So I'm interested in like seeing like how much money actually went into making the packaging of this. Also, something I didn't notice when I was boxing my mystery box was that right here in the middle, the cardboard is like not sticking very well. Like right here and right here, it's kind of bent. So that's a little interesting too. Those are things to note when thinking about this palette. The cardboard doesn't seem like it's gonna last long, and it is very, very, very light, especially in comparison to like its bigger sister Brain Freeze. This is heavy weight. Like this is some quality cardboard. I'm not so sure about the cardboard for the Peppermint Frost, but that's just the packaging gist. Like I'm pretty sure this is gonna become very discolored or probably like tear off one day. That's what it looks like it might happen. But what matters is what's on the inside, and that's what I'm most excited for, these three shades. So we're gonna swatch them right quick. So first off, Ugly Sweater, which is an iridescent gold / pink mix. So this is it. So it is gold, but it has pink reflect in it, and I think this will be really great for lighter skin tones. It does work on my skin tone, even though you can definitely see it, and you'll see it later on my cheeks, but you can definitely see the pink tinges to it. But I feel like for lighter skin tones, that would be your best bet. The middle one is Igloo Gold, this one right here. This one I feel like is perfect for me. Also, like, you can just tell that this is gonna be beaming. It's right here. That is Igloo Gold. It is a true gold, and for some reason I really want to compare it to another Jeffree Star highlighter that I have, so come through. So freaking gold. Right here we have So Freaking Gold, and I'm gonna, you know, swatch that right next to Igloo Gold to see how they compare. Okay, forget I said anything. They don't look anything alike. I just thought they did. But last but not least, I'm gonna be swatching Chocolate Ice, and this one I think caters to my more, you know, darker skin tones. So here it is. Oh, this one is the most different out of all three. It is stunning. This shade and Igloo Gold are probably my favorite too. But now we're gonna put this all over my cheeks, and I do not have any highlighter on, so any like shine that you may be seeing is because of my lights and or my oils. But let's get right into it. So first I want to go into Ugly Sweater, and this is my Luxie tapered highlighting brush. And we're gonna place that on this cheek right here. Ooh, yeah, you can definitely see the pink in this, and that's why I feel like it'd look way better on a lighter skin tone than on me. But nonetheless, it is a nice beaming highlighter. It's just that you can definitely see the pink tinges. Oh, yeah, you can see it. And then we're gonna put this away, get a different brush. Why am I so deep in love when I feel like dying? I never feel so loved. Intermission while I look for a highlighter brush. Could have sworn I had a few. Okay. So this is a completely different highlighter tapered brush by the same brand, Luxie. This is the one that I used Ugly Sweater for. But I'm gonna go into Chocolate Ice right here and use this on my other cheek. Whoa. I might have used too much highlighter, but that is how Chocolate Ice appears on my cheek. So that is Chocolate Ice. And this is Ugly Sweater. I am liking these highlights. Looking head forward to my mirror, I can definitely see the pink in the Ugly Sweater color. So if you do like more pinkish tinges in your highlighter, I would definitely go with this one. But now we're gonna go into Igloo Gold, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna put that on my nose, but I'm gonna try to not OD like I did earlier. And this is a motor brush, BT Dubs. Down the bridge. It's a great palette in terms of like quality of the highlighter. And I'm just gonna continue putting Igloo Gold on my temples because I do put highlighter on my temples on a rag. So just so you guys can see the different shades. This is Chocolate Ice, this is Ugly Sweater, and this is Igloo Gold. So overall, I do feel like I love the quality of the highlighters. I'm a little bit disappointed in the packaging quality. The packaging is beautiful. This is actually gorgeous. But in terms of like how long I think this will last, I don't think it'll last a long time at all. So that's a little downer on this, especially because it's never gonna come back, so you're never gonna have it in mint condition ever again. So that is definitely something to think about. But that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon, and please consider checking out my unboxing of the deluxe mystery box. Bye bye.